Hey Logan, welcome back. Review 3, a review for chapter 3 test, question number 6. Find the value of x that makes the lines parallel and then find the value of y. So my strategy is to find where x is. I notice I have an x right there, but then there's a second location where there's an x right there. So now those are the two that I'm going to relate to each other. Now there's a theorem that says that if those two angles are congruent, then the lines must be parallel to each other. So to make the lines parallel, I'm going to take those corresponding angles and I'm going to write down that they are equal to each other. So if I make those two angles, 5x minus 64, equal to 3x, then I can have parallel lines. All right, so I solve it, take away the 5x from both sides. Yeah, I know, it gives us a negative number. Not a big deal, we can still deal with it. Divide both sides by negative 2, and we get x is 32. Now be careful, the angle is not 32. The x is 32. So if I wanted to find the angle, I got to take the x, which is 32, and plug it back in right there. So 3 times 32, which means that this angle comes out to 96 degrees. So I now know that that's a 96 degree angle. But because it corresponds, this angle here corresponds to this angle, and the lines are parallel because we made them parallel, then this guy must also be 96. Now, what this tells me is that the 96 and the y must add up to 180 for two reasons. One, they're a linear pair over there in the blue, and two, they are consecutive interior angles there in the black. They both lead to the same exact equation. Y plus 96 has to equal 180. Solving this, we get y is equal to 84. And those are my two answers.